हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog। ये है हमारे कलर्स, ये है हमारे कलर्स। ये है हमारा डार्क ब्लू कलर, ये है हमारा डार्क ब्लू कलर। ये है हमारा रेड कलर, ये है हमारा रेड कलर। ये है रेड कलर। ये है हमारा ऑरेंज कलर, ये है ऑरेंज कलर। ये है हमारा ब्लैक कलर, ये है हमारा ब्लैक कलर। ये है ब्लैक कलर। ये है हमारा येलो कलर, ये है येलो कलर। ये है हमारा डार्क ग्रीन कलर, ये है डार्क ग्रीन। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fish, G for grapes, G for grapes, H for horse, H for horse, I for India, I for India, J for jungle, J for jungle, K for kite, K for kite, L for lion, L for lion, M for mango, M for mango, N for nine, N for nine, O for ox, O for ox, P for pencil, P for pencil, Q for queen, Q for queen, R for rose, R for rose, S for sun, S for sun, T for triangle, T for triangle, U for umpire, U for umpire, V for violin, V for violin, W for watch, W for watch, X for X-ray, X for X. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. आज हमने पढ़ा A to Z alphabet. Thanks for watching my video.